In the high-stakes theater of Zimbabwean politics, the most dangerous games are played in the shadows. The Central Intelligence Organization has recently witnessed one of the most far-reaching reshuffles of senior staff at a time when President Mnangagwa's succession is taking center stage. The sweeping reorganization comes amid calculated efforts to sideline his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga, and consolidate the president's grip on power. Sarabida Mashkubdan President Mnangagwa's massive CIO shake-up chinochenga dream shattered. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Even on mobile contingency, according to information obtained by the Standard, the reshuffle which was communicated to the affected officers last Tuesday impacted district intelligence officers, provincial intelligence officers, assistant directors, and deputy directors, among other senior positions. The reshuffle marks former diplomat Paul Chikawa's most extensive changes to the CIO since he was appointed in April to replace Fulton Mangwanya. Yet they replaced Isaac Moyo, who was appointed CIO head in 2017 following the military coup, which ousted the late former President Robert Mugabe. The former Zimbabwe Parks and Wildlife Management Authority ZVAITWA Director General lasted nearly 15 months as the head of the spy agency and was removed at the height of infighting within ZANU-PF over moves to extend Mnangagwa's term. District intelligence officers, provincial intelligence officers, assistant directors, and deputy directors that worked with Mangwanya were affected by the reshuffle. Some were moved to the pool where they no longer have specific duties. Sources said, although the sweeping changes were being attributed to Chikawa's need to build his own team, some PF struggles yet a bearing on the changes. The latest CIO reshuffle came amid calls for a July 31 national shutdown in protest against Mnangagwa's controversial term extension. Observers have said the planned July 31 protests are expected to be a major test for the government's tolerance for dissent and opposition's capacity to mobilize mass action in the face of sustained repression. Human rights groups have called on authorities to respect the constitutional rights to assembly and expression, warning that further crackdowns could escalate tensions in an already volatile political climate. Toma developments are buda pangwa ine. Pina comment section medu zofungura enyi motu kudipa msirpe chitko ichi. Subscribe or like, majo on the bell icon.